Go.
Hi, welcome to the Entrepreneurship-Ethic-Group-1 wiki. That is the logo to our company. My name is Aditi Singh, and I'm one of the team members working on this project.
My name is Sapta Vasisht, and I'm another member of this team work.
My name is Ilyas Naib, and I'm another member of the team.
I'm Arshad Jala. I'm another member of this team. So going to the item one, it's ethical business plan. So our company name is Robust Secure ID. So going to our long-term vision statement, the first long-term vision statement is our goals. Our company goals is to reduce the social security number, processing by enhancing efficiency, reducing wait time, and ensuring robust privacy and data security. We aim to create a user-centric experiment that reduce delays and protect sensitive personal information from unauthorized access. Our innovation solution replace manual process with intellectual automation, reducing errors and streamline workflows. Idea organization. The concept of our innovation assessment processing solution emerged when two of our teammates visited a social security office and experienced frustrating delays and inefficient process. During their visit, they noticed applications being delayed with the documents like passports passed from one person to another, creating potential privacy risk. This experiment highlighted a clear need for efficiency and secure solutions, sparked the idea for a company technology-driven approach. Purpose, values, or mission. The purpose of our company is to improve assessment application process, making it more efficient, secure, and user-friendly. We value privacy, efficiency, and user satisfaction, striving to create a system that protects personal information while reducing wait time. Our mission is to create a safe and reliable environment for people to manage their assessment-related tasks without compressing their privacy. Key questions: how we can ensure user privacy while streamlining assessment process. Our primary focus on implementing robust, encrypted, and security protocols to protect personal information, while also designing a system that minimizes unnecessary delays and improves customer services. What problem do we aim to solve? We aim to reduce inefficiency and privacy risk in the application process by using advanced technology. Our technology addresses common issues like lengthy waiting times, potential data breach, creating a more secure and user-friendly experience.
The strategy with ethical impact and ethical safeguards. OKR 1, our C1 is develop a customer-friendly chatbot to manage 80% of common Social Security office inquiries by the end of year 1. The objective is to create a chatbot system capable of addressing 80% of common Social Security office inquiries within 1 year. This chatbot aims to streamline processes, reduce customer wait times, and enhance overall service quality through automation and machine learning. The metrics. The chatbot's success will be measured by several key metrics. Firstly, the goal is to achieve a 95% accuracy rate for chatbot responses assessed through random sampling and manual review. Secondly, the chatbot should reduce the average customer waiting time by 50%, a measure that will be calculating by comparing pre-chatbot and post-chatbot wait times. And thirdly, customer satisfaction with chatbot interactions should reach at least 85%, gauged through a standardized survey on a 0 to 100 scale. One experiment that I would like to introduce here is an experiment to measure the success of this initiative. It could involve a controlled rollout of the chatbot, followed by a detailed analysis of its impact on customer satisfaction, response accuracy, and wait time. The objective of this experiment would be to determine the impact of the chatbot on customer service efficiency, accuracy, and satisfaction in the Social Security Office environment. This experiment will consist of two phases, a pre-chatbot phase and a post-chatbot phase. During the pre-chatbot phase, customer service processes will be observed and data will be collected to establish baseline metrics for accuracy, wait times, and customer satisfaction. And in the post-chatbot phase, the chatbot system will be introduced and similar data will be collected to measure changes. In the metrics and data collection, what we as the company would be looking for would be accuracy rate, conduct random sampling of chatbot responses, compare the error rate in the pre and post chatbot, the wait times. One of the key reasons why we are making this company is to reduce the wait time. So we will track the average waiting time for customers before and after chatbot implementation and customer satisfaction, which will be done through the survey that will be given to customers during both phases, asking them to rate their experience on a 0 to 100 scale. We will analyze these changes in satisfaction scores post-chatbot implementation. Some of the control variables that we will ensure is the company's validity, control for external factors that could affect the result. This includes maintaining consistent customer volumes, staffing levels, and other operational parameters between the pre and post-chatbot phases. After the post-chatbot phase, we will analyze the collected data to determine if the chatbot has met the OKRs. We will look for significant improvements in response accuracy, reduced wait times, and increased customer satisfaction. We will use statistical analysis methods to confirm the results are not due to chance or other external factors. And after this, the final step would be to collect the customer feedback through the survey and additional qualitative methods such as interviews or focus groups. And this feedback will help identify areas of improvement and inform future iterations of the chatbot system. Once we've ensured the success, we would move ahead with the ethical issue. Several ethical issues could arise with the implementation of a customer-facing chatbot. The training data used for the chatbot could contain inherent biases, leading to inappropriate or incorrect responses that might negatively impact certain groups. Additionally, privacy concerns emerge due to increased data collection during interactions, raising questions about customer information security. Furthermore, the customers might be dissatisfied due to the lack of human interaction, potentially eroding trust in the system and reducing overall satisfaction. So for this, we will have some ethical safeguards. To mitigate these ethical issues, several safeguards will be implemented. To address bias, the chatbot will be trained with diverse data sets and subjected to regular audits to detect and correct biases. Privacy concerns will be managed by applying strong data protection measures such as anonymization and encryption, ensuring customer information remains secure, which is our primary concern. To counterattack potential dissatisfaction due to reduced human interaction, mechanisms for customer feedback and human-assisted support will be established, allowing users to voice concerns and receive personalized assistance when needed. These safeguards aim to maintain a high level of customer satisfaction and trust in the chatbot system.
OKR number 2. Revolutionize SSN processing and redefine public service delivery. The objective is to revolutionize the Social Security number processing system and set a new standard for public service delivery. This will all be achieved by leveraging RoboSecure ID technology and innovative partnerships to drive efficiency and improve customer experiences. Metrics. To measure success, the first metric will be a 30% reduction in the SSN processing times, comparing the average times before and after the implementation of RoboSecure ID technology. Financial stability will also be assessed by securing $1 million in funding through a combination of bank loans and co-marketing collaborations within the next quarter. Another metric involves establishing partnerships with at least 3 leading robotics companies within 6 months, with signed collaboration agreements confirming these partnerships. As far as the experiments, we can start by baseline data collection, gathering historical data on SSN processing times before the implementation of robot secure ID technology. We can go through the implementation phase of introducing the robot secure ID technology to the processing system and use data collection during implementation. Analysis and adjustments would bring us to final evaluation and experimentation of how the system did. Ethical issue. Automation can lead to job displacement, causing concern about its impact on the workforce. Additionally, privacy concerns may arise due to increased data collection and handling and co-marketing collaborations. This could potentially jeopardize customer information security. Furthermore, there is a risk that partnerships with leading robotics companies could create unequal benefits, favoring large companies and disadvantages small businesses. As far as ethical safeguard, to address these ethical issues, the company will implement retraining programs to support workers who might be displaced due to automation, providing them with new skills and opportunities. Privacy concerns will be mitigated by adopting secure data handling practices, including encryption and anonymization. To ensure customer data is protected, to address the risk of unequal benefits, partnership agreements will be designed to equitable provider and providing clear advantages to all parties involved, including smaller companies.
OKR 3. The objective is to develop and launch a chatbot system to streamline Social Security number office operations within 3 years. This chatbot system is intended to increase efficiency, reduce customer wait times, and enhance data security to meet operational goals. Metrics. To measure success, the company will track key metrics to assess progress and improvements. The goal is to complete development and testing within the first year to achieve a 50% reduction in wait times within 2 years and prevent breaches by the end of year 3. Coming to our experiment, we would select a sample of SSN office locations where the chatbot system has been implemented without the additional ethical safeguards. And then after that, we would choose a comparable sample of SSN office locations where the chatbot system includes the implemented ethical safeguards, such as regular audits, alternative support channels, and encryption protocols. We would then record and compare the frequency and the nature of the user interactions with the chatbot system in both the groups. We would track user feedback and complaints related to the bias, inclusivity, and data privacy, and monitor any incidents of unauthorized access or data breaches. We would then quantitatively analyze the data to determine the frequency of bias-related incidents, user satisfaction ratings, and the occurrence of data breaches in each group. Based on the analysis, we would implement iterative improvements to the chatbot system and ethical safeguards as necessary. We would overall evaluate the impact of the implemented ethical safeguards on bias reduction, inclusivity, and data privacy. Compare the outcomes between the control and experimental groups to determine the efficacy of the safeguards in mitigating ethical concerns. Coming to our ethical issues, implementing chatbots to streamline SSN operations raises several ethical concerns. One such concern is the potential bias in chatbot interactions, which might disadvantage certain groups or individuals. Additionally, there's a risk of excluding non-tech savvy customers who might find it difficult to use the chatbot system, leading to unequal access to Social Security services. Data privacy and unauthorized access to sensitive information also pose significant risks, potentially undermining the trust in the system. So to address these ethical issues, various safeguards are necessary, like regular audits and reviews of the chatbot interactions. They help detect and correct any bias, ensuring fair treatment for all users. Offering alternative support channels for those uncomfortable with the chatbot promotes inclusivity, ensuring everyone can access services. Encryption protocols and access control mechanisms secure customer data, mitigating the risk of breaches and unauthorized access. These safeguards aim to maintain customer trust while achieving operational efficiency.
Item 2, Culture Policy. A core values. At Prober Secure ID, our core values lies in our unwavering dedication to realizing public service through innovation, robotics, and technology. We are committed to setting a new standards of efficiency, security, and user satisfaction in the government interaction, grounded in responsibilities and a quest for excellency. We aim to reshape the future of SSN processing and beyond while uploading accountability and trust. Through strategic partnership, drivers, funding, and mechanism, and active participation in the industry events, we strive to enrich lives, reshape the world, and ensure seamless integration of the technology and public services for the generation to come.
Our company's motivation. Our company's culture is centered on innovation, collaboration, and a customer-focused approach. We love pushing the boundaries of technology, valuing creativity, and building strong partnerships with industry leaders. By encouraging group work and diverse ideas, we foster a dynamic environment that continuously seeks improvement and delivers efficient solutions to our customers. However, we fear stagnation, which drives us to remain at the forefront of our industry. We are also deeply concerned about data security breaches, so we invest heavily in robust protection measures to ensure customer privacy. Additionally, we fear losing the trust of our customers, partners, and stakeholders, motivating us to maintain transparency, integrity, and ethical practices in all aspects of our operations. The summary. If we have to summarize our company into just few words, our company would be innovative, collaborative, customer-focused, secure, transparent, and ethical.
Item 3, ethics policy, core items. Data privacy and protection. This policy ensures the secure handling of SSNs and personal information. We do this by implementing strong encryption for data storage and transmission, limiting data access to authorized personnel or bots, utilizing multi-factor authentication to enhance security, and conducting regular audits to detect unauthorized access. Compliance with regulation. This policy ensures adherence to all relevant laws and regulations concerning SSNs. We do this by maintaining compliance with federal, state, and local laws, adhering to data protection standards like GDPR, HIPAA, and more, and also conducting periodic reviews to ensure ongoing compliance. Transparency and accountability. This policy ensures that the company maintains openness and accountability for its practices. We do this by providing information on how bots are used in operation, creating mechanisms for users to report data privacy concerns, and establishing a clear chain of accountability for data breaches. Lastly, ethical bot usage. This policy ensures bots are designed and operated ethically, minimizing bias and promoting fairness. We do this by avoiding algorithmic biases and promoting fair practices, regularly auditing bot behavior to ensure ethical operations, as well as training bots to follow ethical guidelines in their interactions.
Our board members for this team project would be Zain Abdullah. So Zain Abdullah is a former president of PepsiCo, and he serves on the board of Cognizant. His extensive experience in global business operations and leadership roles positions him well for contributing to strategic decisions in tech companies, which focus on digital transformation and innovation. Another board member would be Michael Patsalos-Fox. Michael is the chair of MIO Partners and several small private technology companies. Previously, he served as the chair of Cognizant Board of Directors and has a rich background as the CEO of Strauss Friedberg and a senior partner at McKinsey & Company. His experience spans a broad range of tech and consultancy roles, making him highly knowledgeable about integrating technology in various business contexts. Our third board member would be Ron Sugar. He is the chair of Uber Technologies Board of Directors. He has previously served as the CEO and chairman of Northrop Grumman, bringing significant expertise in technology and leadership to Uber. His role involves steering one of the leading companies in mobility and platform technologies.